Kia mai tātou tiwi, ko ai tēnei, ko Te Rina West tōku ingoa. We are here in Port Waikato where we've just finished day 4, the final day of our Tira Hoi Waka o Te Aroa, and it has been amazing. Pautiho, but it's been so cool. We've just experienced the best manaakitanga. We've got to experience whakawhanaungatanga amongst ourselves as well, new hononga, well old hononga that we're now learning anew. Never done anything like this. This was my first time on a Waka Tētē. I did waka ama once but didn't get the call back, so I wasn't very confident. I was actually really anxious and nervous. I woke up like 3 times in the night before our Monday morning pohiri. I actually went to the aquatic centre last week to swim laps too, just in case we capsized and I had to, get myself to the shore. But actually we're in safe hands with all of our crew. The people on board were amazing and we're just so fortunate to be looked after the way that we have. So thank you so much for supporting us and for having us here to represent our hapu. Yeah, nei rā te mihi ki a koutou.